Hey guys, this is a 2015 Honda CRV Touring Edition, all-wheel drive. Present you from Real Deal Auto. This was a trade-in at one of the big dealerships. It is a rebuilt title, but was damaged about 10,000 miles ago in 24. It was damaged right here. All been fixed up. You can look at everything there. It looks good. Frame looks good. Super clean, low mileage. I think it's about 57,000 miles on it. So leather sunroof. Does have the steer assist and adaptive cruise, heated seats, all your AC, backup camera, power lift gate, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seats. All your different options. Does have 57,077 on the miles. Does have your floor mats. Seat looks super clean. VIN number. Pearl white paint. Does have these pinstripes going down the sides. Does have your cover there. Spare tire and jack. Don't see much evidence of rust or anything. Looks like it was garage kept. (2015) Honda CRV Touring Edition. Got the LED lights. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.